use mobile varieties mostly and naturally. Over to
The title of her speech is "My Learning with the Children."
ಹುಡುಗ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಯಾವುದು
भाई बाद में बनाना है
I'm audible without mic? Without mic. I'm audible?
Yes.
Okay, I'll not check. Yeah.
ಒಂದನೇ ವಿಷಯ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ
Congrats, Sheetal, you got the new job. Thanks, buddy. Distinguished Toastmaster, dear guests, lovely children. Very good evening to one and all.
Good evening.
Don't you guys want to congratulate me on my new job?
Yes.
Then you should say.
Congratulations.
I'm curious to know about it.
Yes.
There are many events occur in one's life, and that changes our life. One such incident occurred 4 years back. How many years back?
4 years.
4 years back. It was mission critical, demanding, and very valuable job, which is 24/7 job. Can any guesses? Yes, very right. I got job of mother again. You should congrats, yeah, say. Thank you. When he was born in 2015. None other than my son Ojas. I am early morning person. He used to sleep very late in the night. When it is around 10:30, 11, I start pursuing him. Oh, just let's go to sleep. But he always have lots of excuses. Mama, this pajama don't have car on it. Mama, this t-shirt don't have ball on it. I want that t-shirt, that ball, and then only I'll sleep. Oh, just look, it's 11 o'clock at night. He didn't understand the clock, but he will look at it. Finally, I am changing his dress and all. Then I told it's 11 now, go to sleep. After sleeping, it is full silent in home. But just after 5 minutes, he tweets, Mama, chocolate milk. This is common sleep time habits in India, isn't it?
Yes.
I am a bit irritated. I wake up, warm a cup of milk, add chocolate powder and give it to him. What happened next, guys? He takes some sip of some amount of milk. Now I don't want this. No sugar in it. Add sugar and bring it back. Okay. After giving cup of milk, he says, now I don't want. No. Oh, just drink it. Again he will drink some sip of milk. Half in, half out. Full dress now. Wait. I am boiling with my anger now. I even want to hit him. But I briefly control my anger. Keep telling myself, cool down, cool down. And you know, guys, this person or all the husband sitting over here won't do anything, but always say, Sheetal, chill down, darling, chill down. He is our apple of eye. He is so cute, and his list always goes on, goes on, goes on. Finally, I change his dress. Again, around 12 o'clock, put it in the bed, go to sleep. But my cutie, what he always do, you know, he always wrap his hand on my neck, around my neck, always. And always say, Mama, I love you. And I learned my lesson. Be patient, control your anger. You will be end up with your loved one. You will be happily end up with your loved one at the end of the day. Are you guys patient?
Yes. Yes.
Good. Then I turn my attention towards learning about, research about young children. Then I came to know and I'm amazed. They learn through playing and they learn many things with the help of playing. Learning helps them, motivate them, improve their concentration, contribution and build critical problem solving strategy in that. Isn't it? Hands-on experience creates a crucial foundation for young children. Toastmaster, once a boy was asked, how old you are? He said, 5. How old your father or mother is? He said 5. Wrong, no. He said, no, it's right. My father or my mother will be, person become a father or mother when the child is born. As Dr. Swiss said once, adults are just outdated children. Happiness is when you realize your child have turned out to be a good person. Over to you, Tia Modi.